Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, the IITian Student. This is an editorial of September CookOff first question, maximize subsequence value. This question was a little tough and this September CookOff was itself a great challenge. Yes, even if you solved the first two questions, they are like quite great competitive for us. So now let us move forward to the first question. In this question, you are given a sequence A1 to AN, and you should select the subsequence of A, not necessarily contiguous, and you can reverse it. So basically, you can reverse AI1, AI2 till AIK, and in the resulting sequence, you want to calculate the maximum sum of a contiguous subsequence, and you need to find its maximum possible value, and you should print out the order in which you want to reverse the sequence. So this is like pretty tough question. You need to think a bit, but when you think of the logic, you feel that it was a very easy question. So let me put forward the constraint. N is 10 raised to power 5. That means we need to do it in O n log n time. But as the number of steps is denominated 2 to 10 raised to 6, it is clear that you need to do it in O n time. Okay. So now what should we do? So let me move to the finishing part. So suppose we are given an array A1, A2, A3 till AN. Okay, I will break to the surprise and tell you that it is always possible to order all the positive numbers on one side and all the negative numbers on the other side. So basically, the easiest solution to this question is iterate till you have a positive number. So the A1 is positive, leave it. A2 is negative, and this is the first position that we need to swap in reverse. The outermost two numbers will always be swapped. Okay. So basically, and from the right, iterate till you get a positive number. So suppose A1 is positive, then we swap AN and A2. So in this way, all all A1 to in this way all the positive numbers will be on the left and all A negative numbers will be on the right. So now we move on to A3 and this. Okay. So let me do a example for you. Suppose we take the numbers -1, 2, 3, -5, 7, -10, -1, whatever you want to. Okay. Like you can take any sequence, but the first is negative and this is positive. This swap this becomes -1, this becomes 6. Okay, so one question that we will be having is why do we are we swapping? So suppose we have a contiguous, non-contiguous subsequence or contiguous, it doesn't matter, and we reverse it. So what does reversing mean? It means swapping the outermost two terms, right? So these are the outermost two terms and we swap them. 10, 2 is positive, 3 is positive, -5 is negative. So we swap -5 is negative, -10 is negative. We swap with this and the answer becomes this. So let me walk you through the code now. So this is the code. We take in the number of test cases, then we take in the value of n, then we declare a long int there so that we can take all the numbers. Then we iterate over the n and take in all the numbers. Then we basically keep two variables, cur I and cur j, which represent the I of n, j. I is from the start and j is from the end. And then we create two vectors. One keeps a track of the numbers that we have to reverse, that we need to reverse, that are in the reversing subsequence from the start, and this keeps track from the end. Like this keeps track of all the i's, this keeps track of all the j's. Now what do? We initialize cur I to 0, cur j to n -1, and we do this till cur I is less than cur j. So basically, so that like if these are the alternate two terms or any two terms which are like equally spaced from the end, these are sharp. Okay, so for I less than positive, if highest value is negative, then we need to consider. Otherwise, we can just if it is positive or zero, if it is positive, we just remove it. Like we just increment it. We don't need to swap it with anything. Now, if like the shared position is positive, then yes, we need to swap it with the negative one. Otherwise, we just decrement it. So if now in this cube, highest value is negative and jth value is positive, so we swap them. We put I plus 1 in start and j plus 1 in reverse, and by printing the answer, till our answer becomes equal to 0, we sum it up in answer, we change the answer, then we can start that side and reverse that side, and if it is greater than 0, then we see out and then, like if it is greater than 0, then of course we need to print what are we reversing. Otherwise, we just print a new line because it is 0, so we aren't reversing anything. So if you understood everything, please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any doubts or requests, please do leave in the comments.